Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, a Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit setup or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. So I now look forward on the question I have today, and the question is how to add this to your Google Ad. And I'm assuming it's a call only campaign, and you may be surprised what to add. So I'm going to show you. Okay, so the question is regarding this is an ad, and you can see your head like this is a okay. So he is assuming this is a call ad. Okay, let me tell you that first of all, this is not a call ad, but this is a regular responsive search ad with a call extension, plus this is a price extension. You can also call them as an assets, price asset. So you can add them. I often see to the people that when in case if you want to know, simply use this tool, and this can preview you how your ad will be shown if we add different assets or extensions on your ads. For instance, this is a regular ad, but if you add the call extension, you will have a call number like this. And in case if you had a price extension, it will similarly look like this over here. So you can see over here this. Okay, just a second. Okay, so you can see over here this is an ad, and this is a call right now going over here, and this is exactly similar to like this over here. And see over here this is the same model over here, so you can see how it appears. So you have to add price extension. Now people who may be considering on how to add price extension is to simply move on to your account. Let's say we go to your campaign. You can see over here that you have an assets with your ads. I'm going to show you. So you can see over here these are your assets. Over here you have to look around your price assets. Okay, in the price assets you are going to simply select the plus one over here in your ad, and once you select the price, you can see that this is a new one. You are going to save it for price assets. You can create new one. Let's say we are going to name it like platinum wash. We can name it same over here like platinum wash, and we can have it set at $25. How many units we have? Let's say it's a per how no units in case if we do not have something like it's a second thing we can add is there is another price assets as well, and we can write it over here similarly like the same way as shown over here, deluxe detail. So deluxe detail over here, and we can name it as $40. So it's similar to what we did right now. Two extensions are being added, and you can see that this is exactly the same platinum watch deluxe detail as you asked in the video. So you can see how you can add. So now what you have to do is to simply save it over here, and this is how you can add a price asset extension in your ad copies. So yeah, I hope you like this tutorial. This not only answered the question, but this is a general tutorial as well for anyone who wants to know how to add price assets to your ad like this. So I hope you like this video. In case if you need a Google Ads audit, setup management, or even optimizing your ads like this, you can hire me and my team through a link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. And lastly, again, I'm calling it again. In case if you need to hire me and my team, we are a Google partner company. You can hire us through the link in the description. So yeah, I look forward to working with you guys. Take care and bye.